and welcome to our 9th episode of Gems TV this year. This is my 2nd episode of Gems TV. I think I'm really liking this.
Hi, I'm Carter, and this is my first episode of Gems TV. I'm really excited. Thanks for having me here with you guys.
Hi, I'm Ella, and this is my first episode too. I'm also really excited. I'm already looking forward to the next episode.
Hi, I'm Taylor, and this is my 2nd episode. Let's welcome our new cast members.
Welcome to Gems TV, guys. We are all from Mrs. Lambert's class.
Does anyone know what time it is?
It's
time for lunch.
Let's see what's for lunch this week.
On Monday, there's quesadilla pie.
With Mexican street corn.
On Tuesday, we have chicken ranch flatbread.
With a side of seasoned black beans and carrots.
On Wednesday, there's a barbecue chicken sandwich.
With a side of roasted potatoes.
On Thursday, we will have hot dogs.
With a side of tater tots.
Ooh, my favorite.
On Friday, there is Texas red chili.
With Mexican style rice.
Sounds tasty.
Lots of smiles in the lunchroom this week.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Good.
Does anyone know who we're celebrating this month?
It's the March birthdays and February Proud Principal Awards.
Yes, let's see who got some awards this time.
And also who's getting older. Let's go with those birthdays.
Happy birthday, Pre-K.
You are getting so big and strong.
Celebrating your next kindergarteners.
Wishing you the biggest slice of happy today.
You're growing by leaps and bounds, first graders.
You will be super tall before you know it.
Enjoy your day, second graders.
What a great day it is.
Well, there are a lot of 3rd graders with March birthdays. Happy birthday.
Hope they see your candles from space.
And last but not least, the 4th graders.
You're just a step away from middle school.
I hope you have a great March, everyone.
Now let's show some proud principals.
Amazing job, kindergarteners.
Congrats on your award, first graders.
Hooray, you did it, second graders.
Don't forget the 3rd graders. You all did a great job.
And last but not least, the 4th graders. Your hard work shows.
Great
work, everyone.
For this week's feature, we are checking in with Miss Heth's STEM class.
Sounds fun. Who knew STEM was so interesting?
Let's check it out.
What's your name?
Taya,
What are you drawing?
a sat picture.
And what colors are you using?
Brown, blue, green, and tan.
Thank you.
My name's Lucy. I'm coloring some maple being made.
It's cool.
Hi, what's your name and what are you coloring?
My name is Emma, and I'm coloring a flower.
What colors are you using?
Pink and green.
Nice.
Whoa, that looked fun.
I bet it is. Science in Miss Heth's room is always fun.
But they're probably aren't having as much fun as us.
True.
Yeah, this is fun.
Yeah.
I hope you liked this episode of Gems TV Express.
But we can't end without another amazing joke.
I got this.
Okay, Ella, we're ready.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Weekend.
Weekend who?
I know this one. We can do whatever we want.
Okay, thank you for watching. Until next time, remember to be
Respectful
Responsible
and safe.